You're playing touch butt with that dork in the park.
There's a viral clip circulating online of British boxer Zach Chelly knocking down Johnny Walker.
Beautiful jab, صحيح. Oh, صحيح, bravo dude. صحيح, yes, الله أكبر. الله أكبر. Johnny.
In a recent interview, Shavkat Rakhmonov explains what it's like training with Islam Makhachev. Early in their careers, they both were trained by Khabib's father. In a recent interview, Shavkat was asked on what it's like training with Islam, and here is what Shavkat said: "I got hit by a car once when I was young. That's what it felt like sparring with him."
Again. Harder. Be nice. Let's go! Oh my God! Oh, I love that, bro. That's it. Yeah, no. No, it's fine, bro. It's fine. That's how I can pull it. That's the hardest I've ever done. Appreciate that, bro.
Me and Thunder Thumbs himself, you guys. We're here. I'm here. We're all here. Let's have a party.
But describe to me being in there for 4 rounds with Alex Pereira. What makes him different?
So just to kind of reiterate what you were saying, when I hit him with that right hook after the high kick that he threw, and it kind of like dropped him a little bit, I saw his eyes too. But yeah, like immediately he went back to stone face, and I was like, oh man, this guy's like a real life like final boss, you know. But I think going in there, I knew that I'd be able to touch him, and that's what we were really like banking on, is going in there and being able to connect with them and being smart when we connect. But I think one thing that is pretty underrated and that I got to experience for myself is really his IQ, man. The ability to mix up, you know, the strategy mid-fight, you know, in between rounds, because, you know, every time, round 1, round 2, I won, but he just kept making adjustments, and I think he made very smart adjustments from like Kamaru said, like kicking the leg and then keeping the body and then throwing the jab and just mixing it up to where like now I'm a little bit confused or, you know, off my game, and there was stuff that we really didn't expect. So I'd say the biggest surprise for me was the intelligence, you know, as stoic as he is and kind of stone-faced. I really do think that you know, he's got a smart brain for sure.
I'm gonna try the Buckley. We're practicing it. We're doing it. Or Mike Tyson, whatever you want to call it. Oh, it's so bad.
People online think you can take him on the feet, and if you wanted to take it to the ground, you could probably finish the fight even quicker.
Well, the bell would go, and I'd Run across, full blast and rugby tackling is what I do.
Go straight for the takedown.
First 10 seconds of the fight, yeah. I've got one very reliable takedown that I do. The spear, it's undefeated in training. The problem is when you do it, you nearly knock yourself out. So I save that for rare moments, but that's the exact takedown I do. Full blast, mate. 40-yard dash straight across.
It's just talking until October 26th. The cage door is closed and may the better man win.
And no one's gonna save you once that cage gonna be closed, my friend.
No one's gonna save you too, buddy. No one's gonna be in there. Actually, there is. The ref. The referee is gonna save you, buddy. The ref is in there to save you, buddy.
For the first time, trust me, and you will become an instant fan. And you already know how it feels when you have to bounce back. You already have a 7 professional defeat. I had 0. So you're gonna do it once again really well. I don't have any doubts about that. You are a great example of that, and you have to stay.
I took a lot of people's donuts, bro. I hope you like churros, cause you about to get one come October 26th, buddy.
Main event. That's hilarious. Y'all see a clip with no context and y'all just be ready to talk shit and just attack and come disrespectful as ever. The yawn at the end was it entertaining? Yes. Was I impressed? No. I'm not impressed. To be honest with you, I'm glad Alex won because I want him to be as big of a giant in y'all minds as possible the next time I face him. At this point, I don't care if he can go on Magomed next if he fights him, and he could lose. He could lose. That's the fight that I want. All right? I don't want the belt. I want that fight. That's the fight that I want.
Jamahal Hill also stated in his podcast that contract is already on the way, a name has already hit the desk, class will be in session soon.
My phone? Yeah. Chosen one.